now. Me give my heart and say me I eat that fear I give my heart, yeah? And me gone in your world. When me and you left, me not take back my heart. That means you never get the heart none at all. It's just the thought. The thought of being with someone is
John no star, you're a Queenie just say. She said she never get do with the art now, just the thought. You see it, what go on when the dip on. We'll come forward to Sandy and Bones TV with the next banger video from the Queen Lady Gangster. Yo, should I blame our fans them still, you see it, for her downfall in our relationship, you see me? Yeah man, she act certain way when the people in type and say she a crazy, never lazy, you see it? She don't like that still, but you don't know. So she a go through a lot so the people if you go easy on her, you see me? Her husband gone left her and thing and that. You don't know. She lose her daughter last year and things, so she a go through that said way, you see it? So what go on? Yo, no drop a like on the video, you see it? Yeah man, and drop a comment before you go, you see it? I'm asking you can just hit the subscribe button and help the channel grow. Yeah man. Yeah man, I remember so we have super chat now in the premiere, you can hit you up with a super chat, help the channel grow, you see it? And so now there from another video here with Queen Lady Gangster sister.
yeah, your friend got town on to buy 2 shoes, on to buy 2 handbags, and the thought of getting that person company. So you always have that expectation of that person. But no expectation, no disappointment. Brains enough time because we don't rely on ourselves. So you rely on that friend for them go LV go buy 2 Louis Vuitton bag and later on never go out and then because the friend not come, a natural mistake. So when the friend gone, the love you did have fear and still in your heart see when she not come. So sometimes it's we can't cope in it because me have no reason. On the podcast, yeah man, and put me to use man. Is that just to downgrade me? And I think that you're not downgrade the value of me is no, it's not. That's just gonna upgrade me more and make me stronger. Remember saying I'm gonna take ice cream like a Sunday and when I stop saying out to her and some about me I get mad. When I go mad the whole way mad in the body section me I say my for section uno mad too. Come in the left and I forget of so a woman say crazy. I got downgrade me to mad. Uno don't make no sense either. You understand? Because every day because I'm crazy, never lazy. And then I'm going to say, I don't need for this. Oh man, you think I joke? Well, I not even know. So I watch me and I entertain and then I'm a carry my script. Someone in our matches box and one finger and I have to put out like 1 matches stick. You know when you draw 1 matches stick out of the box? I suddenly put in 1 finger just to type to discriminate me. You know why? Because I give you like power and strength. You understand? Because I have to plug the charger into me. Can you imagine if I did for feed me, if I did for rely upon for feed? A lot of know that I sit back there and laugh before I throw like water upon me to make it smell go down. I don't know to take off on the tie off on the head and cover me put on. Do that. Me is a woman. Do you hear my name? Queen Lady Gangster. Don't can't break me. I got to inspire me, three of my lucky number. I see them 3 names there. Queen, Lady, Gangster. Nice vote. Mark me wrong, no man. Talk to me nice, no man. Wanna surprise me? I'm a lady and I'm a gangster. Yes, I'm more than that. But with all of this discrimination and nice to man like me, we teach the world to be brave and bold and real. I don't think when I make me feel say something to me, or something to no. And you think me know my worth and my value? As awful and as terrible as me is, God send me out here to do our work. Not for I'm afraid of the nose, I'm afraid of the eye, I'm afraid of the enemy. To me. It's all in the see me look like my business and let me drop a gun and take a green bush and drop and then chat me. Me still at the next day, I'm full of all breath, I'm full of all week, I'm full of contents, I'm full of myself, I'm so upright, I'm very optimistic. I am never me's never pessimistic. Yeah? I'm orthodox and I go Google them there, I get some dictionary. And I think me a dunce. I just not have no time because I'm a lazy for read and study. Me not gifted by Father God. What do you think I'm going to sit down and laugh for me and your mouth a rubbish pan? When I idiot, who for your mouth a rubbish pan? Me can't your rubbish pan. Me too helpful. Me too caring. Me too sweet and kind. So that's why I'm going to look a podcast and I'm going to know about me. Eh? Yeah, that's why I'm going to do the look up podcast. When I say on TV show, my own TV show, I'm not wait for nobody. I start from 1 to 2 to 3. I'm going to climb up the ladder. I know Wally pa snake I go there for bite. But by the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost, I shall overcome. Now, I could see my daughter dead. Not even here yet. My first pit will come out. I make me know me is a mother. I'm a turn up and go with my antics. I want to see me now I expect me to go. I expect to make a name out of rubbish pan. I'm not idiot. I don't think I saw name out of rubbish pan go. Yes, so you have someone out there with prosper and not survive. When Jesus say yes, nobody say no. So if that man God put me upon a reason for a purpose. No, my purpose. No, can't push a finger through the matches box and type and it change my thoughts, my feelings, and my word. It does not make difference to me. Because I'm full of chat, I'm not take it back. It's full of chat. That's why sometimes I come over here, come argue with them. But enough of the arguments now. My TV, Queen's Lady TV show. Every week, I'm going to sit down and talk about me, my natural life, all of my falls, my downfall, my in-between, all of the dirty water I drink out of the gutter. It's all sandwich. Me telling about them because it's my life. Talk about me, my platform. Enough disrespect I get for build that platform here. A whole heap. Look how I look good. The more, look, blessing. When I think of money and part to a flap, part to the flap are the least problem. The party never did for keep, that's why it flop. When Jesus say yes, nobody say no. You have to go through the worst patch sometime in a life walk. You know when you do a surgery, and then the process, and then when all of that your belly flat and when the belly big on the can. So that's why enough girl go. When my belly did big, I could have. So all them little things, why I get the whole heap of 8. And then, it's a crazy world out there, you know. But it's because me full of chat, I mean, I take it back. Tell me one time, I can't tell you 1,000 times. And necessarily used to type back and say things. I know me, I said, no. I'm a royal crazy will take them on. Me don't need to type and tell them nothing again. Because guess what? You see my spirit prevail. You see my strength, you see my love, you see my care. I'm telling you, love conquers all. The way I love myself, I don't love nobody more than myself. I'm going to love you and get the whole and stay the sun. Remember, say you can't take my heart for real, you know. Make me on a reason. I will forever be Queen Lady Gangster. No matter what I talk, I work hard for when I reach in a life. You hear that? When I look how much me I have, not even, what's your name? J-Lo from them time there. You have Nicki Minaj, you have Cardi B, you have Rihanna, you have the whole of them. Check the levels of man, check my powers of man, each to them own. And if you don't acknowledge your blessing and fight for your next man blessing, that's when I go wrong. You see the beauty? I'm a household person. And there's a difference. I'm in every household. So if you come from Germany, I have one Jamaica friend. Your Jamaica friend I go watch Queenie, I go see me. And that's power. You hear that? So, me not fight for when am I one. You hear that? If you buy one shoes, your wife goes on. A lot of people can't stand losing. Them would have depend on like, oh God, me live. Many more shoes will come. So I put and understanding, because there's a lot of knowledge and understanding within me. Okay? Nothing beats a try but a failure. It's not a marketeer, and if me married and my marriage crash, it's not a shame. It's hurt, but it's not a shame. So me give them ear, girl. Yes, send the police. So no don't me no. Me never got jail. Me never got court. Yet I'm not guilty. You hear that? No, me. A whole heap of people in here. Make a class out to me. Where I type and I laugh. A whole heap on in England, what you call them take me. I mean for discriminate nobody, but me I talk the truth. It's many of on in England where seek surfing ticket or surfing ticket. Me not have none. Me never upon the system yet. Me not going to go tell them some have no mental health. I'm mad for getting a surfing ticket. There's a lot of people in the United ticket. Me not have none on a non flat section me. It is until it's not what it's flat. See me criminal record, yeah? I pay £70 forget this. It show him old, see my picture there? I look on it. It show him old 29 arrests. And every time I got caught, Johnny's dispute guilty. You hear that? Me not go around. Now when me hear someone about, oh sure, okay, sure, look crowd and what the word with them use? Stunt, public stunt. Public stunt fucking hurt me. What make me moan and groan? What make me tremble and nervous? What the fucking mad, not me. I'm a crazy class section because I do not scream out. So what's the problem? See my criminal record here, 29 times. No shame to my game. It is what it is until it's not what it's not. Yeah, me I'm a own big man. Me not have no fear. Right now if the government want me, them no wish for me them.